Welcome to the Ranjeet Kumar Show. Press the bell icon for more amazing videos. Hello there. Today we're diving into the world of human resources to discuss HR policies that can boost your professional career. Now you might be wondering, what's so special about these policies? Well, understanding HR policies is like having a roadmap to success in your professional journey. These policies are the backbone of every organization, setting the standards, rules, and guidelines that govern the workplace. They not only shape the culture of a company, but they also play a significant role in your career growth. They can be the difference between a stagnant position and a progressive career trajectory. Moreover, they create a safe, inclusive, and productive environment where everyone feels valued and empowered. So, understanding these policies isn't just about knowing the rules, it's about harnessing their potential to pave your way to success. So are you ready to uncover these career-enhancing HR policies? Buckle up and let's get started. First up, it's the anti-discrimination policy. This one is a big deal. The anti-discrimination policy, as the name suggests, is designed to prohibit discrimination in the workplace. It's a policy that impacts everyone in the company, irrespective of their role or position. It's here to ensure that everyone, regardless of their race, gender, age, religion, or any other characteristic, is treated fairly and with respect. This policy is crucial because it fosters a healthy, inclusive workplace environment. It ensures that all employees have an equal opportunity to succeed and thrive in their roles. It's not just about promoting fairness, but it's also about creating a diverse workplace that values and respects the unique perspectives and talents of all its members. When a company has a strong anti-discrimination policy in place, it sends a clear message that discrimination is not tolerated and that everyone is valued for their unique contributions. This creates a culture of respect and inclusivity where everyone feels safe and welcomed. But this policy is not just about the company, it's also about you as an individual. Respecting this policy can elevate your professional standing. By treating everyone with respect and fairness, you're demonstrating your commitment to a positive and inclusive work culture. You're showing that you're a team player who values diversity and inclusivity. Moreover, adherence to this policy is not just morally right, but it's also a legal requirement in many places. So it's not just about being a good person or a valued employee, but also about complying with the law. Remember, this policy is not about limiting you, but about empowering everyone. It's about creating a workplace where everyone can be their true selves and contribute to the best of their abilities. It's about nurturing a culture where differences are celebrated and everyone is given an equal opportunity to shine. So let's all take a moment to appreciate the importance of the anti-discrimination policy. It's not just a policy, it's a promise. A promise to treat everyone with respect and fairness, and to create a workplace where everyone can thrive. Remember, equality is key to a thriving workplace. Scene script. Next, we have employee development programs, a great way to climb that career ladder. Let's dive into the world of employee development programs, fondly known as EDPs. These are initiatives created by organizations to foster the growth of their employees. They are not just a fancy corporate term, but a significant tool for both the individual and the organization. The purpose of these programs is twofold. For the employee, it's about gaining new skills, enhancing existing ones, and furthering their career. For the organization, it's about nurturing a competent workforce that is ready to take on future challenges and drive the company towards its goals. EDPs come in various shapes and sizes. They could be in-house training sessions, workshops, seminars, or even tuition reimbursement for further education. Some companies offer mentorship programs, while others may provide opportunities for cross-functional training. So how can participation in these programs open up new career opportunities? Well, first of all, they equip you with skills that are in high demand. For instance, you could learn about the latest technology trends, leadership techniques, or gain expertise in a new area. This not only makes you more valuable to your current employer, but also to potential future ones. Secondly, these programs often provide networking opportunities. You could meet professionals from different departments or even different companies, and these connections could be invaluable when you're looking for new career opportunities. Finally, participation in these programs shows initiative. It shows your employer that you're proactive about your career growth and willing to invest time and effort into bettering yourself, and by extension, the organization. Remember, the more you learn, the more you grow. And the more you grow, the more doors open for you. So, never underestimate the power of continuous learning and development. So don't miss out on these programs. They could be the stepping stone to your next big career move. Moving on, let's talk about performance evaluation policies. These can be a game changer for your career. Performance evaluation policies, often referred to as performance reviews or appraisals, are designed to assess an employee's work performance over a certain period of time. These evaluations are vital to the growth and development of both the employee and the organization. But why are they so important? Firstly, they provide a clear picture of an employee's strengths and areas of improvement. This helps the employee understand where they stand and what they need to work on. Secondly, they provide an opportunity for open dialogue between the employee and the management. This facilitates transparent communication, building trust, and promoting a positive work environment. But how can you, as an employee, utilize this policy for your career advancement? Here's how. 1. Always go into your performance evaluation with a positive mindset. Understand that this is an opportunity for you to learn and grow. 2. Prepare in advance. Reflect on your work, achievements, and challenges. Be ready to discuss these with your evaluator. 3. Actively participate in the evaluation process. Ask questions, seek feedback, and discuss your aspirations. Show your evaluator that you're invested in your growth and eager to contribute to the organization's success. 4. After the evaluation, take time to digest the feedback. Use it constructively to create a plan for improvement and follow through with it. Remember, feedback is not criticism, but a tool for development. Lastly, don't forget to acknowledge your successes. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. This will boost your confidence and keep you motivated. So remember, performance evaluation policies are not just about assessing your work. They're about understanding your value, enhancing your skills, and paving the way for your career advancement. It's about turning feedback into action and challenges into opportunities. Performance evaluations can be your best ally. Use them wisely. Finally, we have the conflict resolution policy. This one's all about maintaining harmony in the workplace. Now let's dive into what it is and why it's so important. A conflict resolution policy is a set of guidelines and procedures that help manage and resolve disputes that may arise in the workplace. It's like a map, guiding us through the often tricky terrain of interpersonal conflict. Without it, we risk getting lost in a maze of misunderstandings, hurt feelings, and disrupted productivity. But why is it so important? Well, conflict is inevitable. We are all unique individuals with our own perspectives and ideas. When these differences intersect at work, it can lead to disagreements or conflicts. If left unchecked, these conflicts can escalate, leading to a negative work environment. This is where our trusty conflict resolution policy comes in. The policy provides a clear path to address and resolve these conflicts in a fair and transparent manner. It assures employees that their concerns will be heard and addressed, fostering a sense of trust and respect among the team. It's not just about putting out fires, but also about preventing them from sparking in the first place. Moreover, this policy isn't just a band-aid solution. It helps in maintaining a positive work environment, which is crucial for career growth. A harmonious workplace encourages collaboration, boosts morale, and enhances productivity. When conflicts are resolved effectively, it frees up mental energy for creativity and innovation, leading to personal and professional development. In essence, a conflict resolution policy creates a robust framework for handling disputes, ensuring that everyone's voice is heard and respected. It promotes a culture of open communication, mutual respect, and cooperation, all of which are essential for a thriving workplace. Remember, a conflict-free workplace doesn't mean a workplace without disagreements. It means a workplace where disagreements are handled constructively, leading to growth and learning. And that, my friends, is the beauty of a well-implemented conflict resolution policy. Peaceful resolution always leads to a more productive and happier workplace. Well, those are some key HR policies that can aid your professional career. We've delved into the anti-discrimination policy, an essential tool to foster a respectful and inclusive workspace. We've also touched on employee development programs, which are crucial for personal growth and skill enhancement. Then, we discussed the performance evaluation policy, a great way to understand your strengths and areas for improvement. Lastly, we addressed the conflict resolution policy, a vital policy to navigate disagreements and maintain a harmonious working environment. Remember, understanding and respecting these policies is not just about compliance, It's about creating a thriving, inclusive, and productive workspace. It's about fostering growth, both for you and for your organization. It's about paving the way for a successful and rewarding professional journey. So, which of these policies will you be focusing on in your professional journey? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep growing and keep learning. Thank you for watching the Ranjeet Kumar Show at